So it's just 6 a.m. and I'm starting just before the sunrise. This spot is kind of a little bit famous for having a little bit of buzz around and also pollock, so just a little bit of cast behind the wave, letting it drop. I know there is a pinnacle in front of me, so all of the fish I was getting so far, they were getting from the one spot. So, and from diving that spot, I know there is a shallow, there is like a rock mark with kelp, so possibly the fish is kind of chilling or kind of using it like a little bit of cover. But so far I'm super happy about about this morning start. Yeah. And I definitely don't need coffee anytime soon, since we have second fish. So nice schoolie pollock, and wow, big waves. I love it so far. So just going to let it go and let's go again. So we have another fish. All seems to be pollock, kind of mid-size. I'll possibly wait for a little bit of wave just to bring it on the rocks. Oh! So this is actually not a pollock. Nice, just sizable bass. Good. So we have another fish. Yeah, beautiful stamp of fish. Another fish. There is so much current that the poor fish sometimes feels like a whale, and sometimes it feels like I completely lost it, so I absolutely have no idea what we have. But it is definitely a little bit heavier, and it's going to the side. God no. Oh, we lost it. It's going to be this Rapala in the pretty much blue mackerel color with teaser, so wish me luck. This is definitely heavier, around 40 grams, so nice longer cast. This we have a frost fish on the seeker. Heavier rod, a little bit of head shake. I have to say I prefer the lighter rod, but this one just gives me way more options just to cast way further, and yeah. Nice pollock actually. I'll wait for the wave, and they should be up over here. Another strategy, because the soft plastics definitely did die down quite a bit. And this is just like when I said it's quite difficult to catch anything, I was just getting quite almost nice hits, exactly where I usually catch the fish. Beautiful scenery. I'm casting kind of this direction, and I just see the rain is kind of coming towards the Galway. So this is the bonus of autumn in Ireland. Blackberries are everywhere, so this is the vitamin C. And funny enough, this is what I found straight away after I came in. I was like, okay, somebody lost, and that somebody was actually me. I possibly left it over here the last time, so I'll just clean it up, and we have another lure. Is it a small mackerel or small something? So we lost the metal lure, but we got a first mackerel, mini mackerel. So this is going to be more like a bait for the pike. He basically just told me I've been fishing here for feathers for last 2 hours and he didn't get a single bite, so that kind of means that well, that doesn't mean anything. That means like we can be lucky, and it puts different perspective to the one mackerel I already got. So I'll try just a few casts over here and I'll move to that pier for a little bit of LRF fun. I have some isomy, some worms. I want to try drop shot light jig, stuff like that, just to kind of finish the day. The morning was amazing, so almost like whatever happens now, well, almost whatever, I'm going to be super happy anyway about it. Definitely not the target species over here. So another fish. I'm just laughing because, yeah. Definitely something that I'm going to bring my son to do with me. Just to catch these these creatures is going to be so much fun for him. A beautiful fish. I wouldn't mind actually catching the big one. And again, the smallest gurnard ever. It's actually a lot of fun. And that's basically the bait. They have some character anyway. So just heading back home, I have to say, amazing fishing session. The morning, super amazing. Like it was like 1.5 hours of pretty much constant action in between, running from waves, pulling fish, pollock, bass. I couldn't wish for anything more. Then the second spot was more just a small mackerel, small pollock, and more actually scouting the location. And on this one actually I had quite a lot of fun on LRF, so got few gobies, few gurnard. That was actually my first ever, and pretty much every cast I could have bite if I stayed with the worm, so very good experience. Something what we can possibly do with Arnie anytime I will take him fishing, so he's going to get a little bit more into it. So awesome, definitely I'll bring you to my next trip. Thanks for watching, see you soon.